You know, that issue comes, guys. The family issue of trying to use the bathroom shows up when you're on a live video and with your family. So what does one do? I don't want to break. I got to now we are really bonding because I got to do this. Otherwise, I'll just wait. I won't put the light on. I'll keep the light dim so you don't get to see what I'm doing. But I'm definitely visiting the bathroom with you guys because I gotta go. Sorry. If I don't do that in sheet, I don't think you'll like that. Now we are Tata Baba Tizwa, we are now family. Kind of bathroom say yeah. I'm just sorry guys. I had to pee. Now we are real family. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be. Sorry guys, I love you guys and I am sorry, I'm not trying to be rude. Ah, Jesus just got here. Just about we are. Find out toilet in me. Oh my gosh. Feels so good. Toilet. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I had to pee. Sorry. I apologize. No, I don't. I'm sorry. I don't need to apologize for going to the bathroom. Anyway, let me find Auntie Jenny. Nai. Sorry, Kanya. Amanda in the toilet. It's part of the drill. Anyway, we're still moving the blood and this way and down. Put it up and up. Yes, sorry, the toilet.
I ndatoti zvoni handina kunzwa kaendi kachona because at the end of the day half the time ukaenda kutoilet pane chimwe chinoitika pane sound and ndakamirira kuti kana kuti puu
handina kusura handina despite the fact yokuti ndasora ndisina mburugwa nezviro nhasi handina kupinda mhepo ndiri right
isitori pakambeni ndise sound titori pakambeni izvo tikutomirira ningirikini kutoti dzodwa azotiti chipfeka mabhurugwa topfeka again amana how can you hate how can you hate on anyone who's doing their own thing amana? Let's stop it.
I know, it's like just so evil.
Let's stop it.
It was so uncalled for.
Munhu ari kuita hai andikona kundesa kutanzi handijeni kokunyepere mukaenda kutere timunoita sei
handiri ngori
handijeni wabantu